What is poppin', fam goons? Welcome back to my channel for another video. And today, Supreme, they sent my package, and I think my package is here. Supreme and Wheaties did a collab. They dropped some cereal. They had two different kinds, and you know your boy had to cop it for an unboxing. You know what I'm saying? I got the confirmation email saying that my package is here. So let's go see if my package is here. Again, in my Reeboks. Y'all know I'm wearing Vans. I'm just playing with y'all now. Look what we got, man. We got our package with the tamper evident tape. Let's get it. My desk is a mess. So we are here. We got the box. We're about to cut this bad boy open. That tamper-proof tape, boy. Jesus. All right, we got white paper. Oh, I already see something in here that I'm excited about. The first thing we have is the Wheaties Supreme cereal in yellow. You know what I'm saying? We got yellow Wheaties. We got that yellow camo on there. Hope you guys can see that. Got the yellow camo. Then the next one I got is the purple camo Wheaties and Supreme. You see what I'm saying? Supreme, the breakfast of champions. Yes, sir. Like I said, this is just normal Wheaties. Obviously, they literally just slapped the Supreme logo on there. You know what I'm saying? But everybody loves Supreme. So, I copped it. I seen it and I was like, bruh, I already have cereal from when I, like, a Rick and Morty cereal. And then it's like, bruh, I'll cop that cereal too. I have 3 cereals, 3 exclusive cereals. You know what I'm saying? Let's put that down. Set that on the floor. And then the last thing I got in here, which I was actually surprised, is a Supreme sticker. Right? What the heck? And on the back, it literally says scan to vote. Scan to register to vote. That's crazy. This must be old from when the election happened. But yeah, so we got a Supreme sticker in there also. This is the other cereal I got, and honestly, feeling it now, it feels like it's all stuck together. It's one whole block. You gotta squish it up. Boy, you gotta squish it up. Well, anyways, yeah, I had this cereal too. I don't know why I even brought this out, but I had this cereal. It's a Funko Pop cereal, but it's exclusive because, you know, it's Rick and Morty. Come on now. So I had to cop that, but that's pretty much the main reason that I had copped these. With the Supreme boxes, that's why I had copped these, because I already had a cereal, and I was like, I don't know why. I just thought, yo, there's 2 of them. Let me cop. I'm going to do an unboxing. So here's the unboxing of these. I know you guys thought that this was just going to be an unboxing, but I do want to start doing other stuff with my videos. So if you guys want to come with me to take a picture for my thumbnail, I'm going to meet up with my little brother. He's going to take a picture for my thumbnail. And yeah, ride along with me.